Okay, so today is Tuesday, June 20th, 2017. It's around, right now it's about 3:45 in the afternoon. We had a very turbulent weather just come through here, including what looked like a tornado starting to form. Not too far from where I am, just up the road there, where you can see. And just after it passed over was a dump of huge amount of rain and hail. And I got a bit of the clouds that happened before the hail came. As soon as the hail came, it's already started driving, and I drove under the Esso overpass. This is a tree that was taken down by the storm, and it looks like it took down power lines and telephone lines with it. You can see that kind of bright there on the light. There we go. Port Hope, Ontario, on Ontario Street, just south of the 401. There's the trunk right there. You can see the broken trunk by that house there. This is a huge old tree here. The rain coming down was just torrential. I don't recall the amount of wind that was there, but the rain was torrential, especially with the hail in it. And I really thought there was going to be a tornado. I was coming westbound on the 401 and just coming towards the 464 exit, and I looked up and I saw this cloud form just stirring like crazy, looking like it was going to form a tornado. It kind of broke up, but it was still very turbulent. I pulled over to keep an eye on it, but I was right in front of it. Wasn't going to miss it if it came down in front of me. Then a couple minutes later, heavy hail and rain. It was like a bucket of water just pouring down over. Window wipers were useless because it came down so hard so fast. And this is the damage. This is some of the damage left over from it. Come on. I can't stop.